wish I was better at holding the camera still. Window is dirty. You can see me moving in the window, I think. Oh, look at that. Yeah, I saw you wiggle your tail. But I'm not going to do anything. I can't go through the window. There's a clear spot. Still chewing though while it's sitting there frozen, worrying about whether or not I'm gonna or somebody's gonna come attack it. Uh-oh, I think it's going back down to the food pan. Look at it swinging. Swinging in the food pan.
Welcome back to America Right Now. President Biden getting blasted at home and abroad for not cutting off U.S. purchases of Russian oil, thereby allowing the U.S. to actually help fund the Russian invasion.
There we go. Minute and a half of squirrel.